Hello mga plantitas and plantitas! Today we will be doing 5 ways to use eggshells here sa hashtag Fairyplantmom. Together with our twins Johan and Josef. Let's begin. First, a seedling starter. Ito na yung mga petsa yung nakikita niyo sa Instagram stories ko. Diyan siya nag-umpisa. Just make sure na nililisin muna ang mga eggshells bago niyo taniman. Second, as decorative toppers. Siguraduhin na hugasang maigi ang mga eggshells bago gamitin. Then bake under the sun for 2 to 3 days. Bitbikin, depende sa desired na size. Third, as mixture in soil. Basa-basa naman tayo this time. Calcium boost. I've been collecting eggshells ever since and kung saan ko na siya nagamit sa aking garden. Apart from my regular use with these eggshells, gusto ko naman i-level up by using or creating a solution which is a compost, a combination of calcium and phosphorus. So I invited my twins, Johan and Josef, together with our little girl, Chanel, to join me with this experiment. I also introduced the value of reuse, reduce, and recycle to our twins. Doing this experiment with our kids becomes way fun and exciting kasi naaaliw sila dun sa kung anong nangyayari dito sa aming experimentation. So let the bubbles finish first before covering. I noticed a difference after ko siyang gamitin for a week. Talagang sumigla at tumaba yung aking mga halaman, lalo na tong tomatoes. Our last, number 5, as a compost. So, pwede nyo yung gamitin yung mga na-strain nyo from your compost. Pwede nyo din siyang gamitin as compost. And your extra shells, pwede nyo siyang i-blender and then ihalo sa inyong compost bin. So, our compost bin is also recycled. Kita naman din. Try any of these 5 ways to reuse your eggshells and tag me on Instagram. It's at Tony Avalas. Let's keep on practicing and promoting reuse, reduce, recycle. This is your Fairyplantmom from Live, Love, Lande.